Welcome back to Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. Naam to suna hoga. I'm coming to you absolutely live from, well, Dubai itself. As unbelievable as this may look, with so much greenery all around, we are in the heart of Dubai. I'm going to take you for an out-of-this-world experience. And I say out of this world because when you reach here, you will realize that you've never seen this side of Dubai. You've never seen Dubai so green as I'm going to show it to you today. I'm going to take you to a unique restaurant for a unique meal. It's a place that's called The Farm. In the UAE, it's hard to imagine a place with wild fauna, a place that refreshes you, and a place that soothes you from within. How many times have you actually seen a place that's completely green, naturally? I passed through a cleverly carved garden to enter what is best described as a bright white health food store, which in turn opened into a light-filled dining area. The restaurant had perfectly manicured lawns of the Al Barari estate, chilling and relaxing areas that had hammocks and a beautiful water feature as well. After gazing around for a while, I decided to park myself at one of the tables of the restaurant. Alright, this swanky place has a very swanky menu as well, and they're using the iPad here because they believe in saving paper. You know, I was just going through the menu and they've got a very interesting line here. And that says, we can't rush perfection. So sit back or take a walk and enjoy the surrounding beauty while we prepare a wholesome and fulfilling experience for you. I think that's a very good idea, right? And when you come to this place, you do realize that whether they could have rushed perfection or not, you would have definitely liked to take a walk here. I am not going to take a walk. I'm going to think of what I'm going to order. As I took a seat, I was presented with a menu. But this time, my menu was no ordinary menu. It was an iPad menu. Just with a few touches and drags, I ordered a quinoa salad for starters. Now this is a generous portion. It's a different feeling, you know, you're sitting at the farm and you're having some greens. Yeah, it's a different feeling completely. Now this is the quinoa salad. A lot of you may not know what a quinoa is, but that's all right. A lot of people don't know what it is. Actually, it's a grain that's about 5,000 years old. It was found in South America, but a lot of people either never used it or never found out about this. Now this is the new fad food. People all over the world want to have this because this is a grain which has highest protein content compared to carbs, or rather the better way to put it would be the protein content in this is high and the carb content compared to other grains is a lot lower. So a lot of people prefer eating the quinoa these days. Although it's spelled as quinoa, it's pronounced as quinoa. And I hope once I have a bite of this salad with mandarin dressing, I also can say wah, pun intended here. As I took my first bite of the salad, the taste was very reviving. And what I liked best about this salad was that I could taste each and every ingredient. I'm guessing I will say, wow. Okay, so this is one of the chef's favorites and it's a very, very simple dish with a very simple preparation. This is grilled chicken that was marinated with lemon, rosemary and olive oil. So this is very, very basic. So it's got to have all the basic tastes and flavors that these ingredients and of course the chicken should carry. This is absolutely fantastic. Fantastic. After the chicken, it was time for the sea bass fillet. The unique thing about this fillet was that it had a spread of prawn mousse, and the combination of fillet along with the prawn mousse was simply divine. This is not dessert. Obviously, this is still main course. Now I'm on the second round of main course, and that's not because I'm stupid. That's because this is one of their signature dishes which I have to try. So I'm definitely going to do that. It looks very nice. It's been presented really well. Again, I think, you know, it's the style of the chef of keeping things nice, simple, yet heavy on flavor and hence the taste. So I'm going to dig into this and find out how good this is. This again is a very beautiful, unique sort of taste. Not much going into this. If you see if what has been done, it's pretty simple. And I think that's the trick. If you can keep it simple, the ingredients will put in the flavor themselves. I had initially thought that I'm only going to have a bite, but that thought obviously didn't last for long. My meal ended with a mouth-watering, gluten-free chocolate delight, which was, as the name suggests, an absolutely delightful dish. Okay, so this is the dessert and I promise you this is going to be the last thing I am eating. No matter how much I like it, I'm not going to order for more. I've loved what I've had so far and I've heard so much about this from the chef that I'm going to try it. This is sinful. I've got to admit, this is just the way the chef described it to me. He said you're going to feel like you're having a bar of chocolate with ice cream. That's exactly how I feel. Nice, very rich, very tasty, but I'm just guessing it's not going to be. Heavy once I'm done with this, because now I definitely can't stop. On the whole, my experience at the farm was simply outstanding. Beautiful place, tranquil seating and scrumptious food.
The first idea of creating Al Barari community itself and the farm restaurant was the idea of the healthy, new, fresh lifestyle, something that Dubai never experienced. Beautiful surroundings, a lot of nature, a lot of gardens, plants, and the farm itself is the combination of a lot of small points. It's a healthy product. It's a lot of organic food that we use, organic products. People are a little bit tired of having the same kind of food every day, having the fast food. This is the food that will make you feel healthy, fresh, and feel the life in a different way. This is the farm.
Now this has been a complete experience. Unique concept, great atmosphere and some fabulous food. Now here's when you should come to the farm. If you're in Dubai, don't have time for a holiday, but need a change in scenery, this is where you'll get it. Till I see you next week, no sawal, no doubt, sabka solution, weekend out.
It's a K Company production.